The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus for visible wireless. So visible now has the Galaxy S20 Plus. It's available now, so this is really cool. So yeah. So this is the phone right here, you guys know. It does have your whole punch with 3-frame camera, your power and your RAM cards are on the side of the phone. So yeah. And then left side you have nothing. The camera does stick out there on the back of the phone right? Back of the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, you guys will have 4 cameras. You have a camera flash as well, Samsung logo. You do have a telephoto camera, ultra wide camera, and a wide angle camera there. And I'm not sure what the 4 films does, so you guys should figure that out. So anyways, the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G is available in Cosmic Gray, 128 GB of storage. You do have 2 options to get this phone. You can pay full retail at $11.76 or monthly at $49 a month. Totally up to you. So yeah. And y'all guys also get phone insurance and stuff like that, which is recommended, right? So it says here, meet the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, equipped with a first of its kind 64-megapixel camera. This revolutionary smartphone gives you more power, speed, and options for doing the things you love. Capture every moment with unparalleled camera features like bright night, 30 times space zoom, and single take AI. Base your battery in minutes for super fast charging, and go for longer with an all-day intelligent battery, and enjoy the ultimate movie viewing experience on a 6.7-inch Infinity LED display with a lightning-fast 120Hz refresh rate. So you have a 6.7-inch display on here, so that is a win. You get a 120Hz refresh rate display, but I think it's defaulted to 90 hertz, and by default I think at 90 hertz. So you will have to turn on the 120 hertz in settings for that to be in effect, right? So yeah. So the specs on the Galaxy S20 Plus, you guys have 128 gigabytes of storage, expandable up to 1 terabyte, 64-bit octa-core processor, Snapdragon 865. and your 10-megapixel front-facing camera and display fingerprint sensor, 12-megapixel wide angle, 64-megapixel telephoto, 12-megapixel ultra wide, and a time of flight camera. So that's what the 4th camera lens is there. So pretty nice. You also have 12 gigabytes of RAM. Display size, like I said, 6.7 inches, dynamic AMOLED. It's a big ass screen. Your dimensions for the Galaxy S20 Plus are 2.90 inches width, 6.37 inches height, and 0.31 inches depth. The S20 Plus weighs 6.63 ounces, 525 for the PPI, 4500 mAh battery, and you have 8K video recording on this one. So that is a win. Special features, like I mentioned, 120 Hz refresh rate, which is default to 90 Hz, and I think. So keep it in mind. You also have water resistance IP68, single take, 30 times space zoom, and super fast charging there. So yeah, so the Galaxy S20 Plus is now at Visible Wireless. You guys should be able to get 5G connections on this phone from Visible. I'm not even sure if Visible has 5G yet, which I'm sure they do now because of these phones here. So you guys should be able to connect to 5G with these phones from Visible with no problems. So if you guys are interested in the Galaxy S20 Plus from Visible, it is now available. Currently it's available from Visible, of course. You can pay full retail at $11.76 or monthly at $49 a month. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys have blessed me a whole lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.